Ka jingïada linti jong ikong bandri buram kharkungor na sopdong, Riboi district, kalong kanuksa jong kajing minot bat kajing shlur, Watla di brio ba matla bat idon laingut ki Khun bandri, Hynrei shim la Pyndem ha kajing jong kajing Da kajing kershan jong ulog uba pej ki Khun, Watla ban kamai jakpo, minshwa ijude kyu sintiyo bat ishnahi, Hadian kajing shitom ilala banthien da ka speaker strangers bat Mynta idet Sur Rwai ki yo ba pher ban kamai pisa ban kershan ki yang kasem ka Sur Rwai jong i amtang baka ai jingkmen ya ki basngam Hynrei kalong ru kalat ban pinyai ya ki yang kasem bat ban ri ya la ki jong ki Khun kajing ele jong ikong ban ri buram ka pin i ba Watla don kajing duna ha department Hynrei da kajing minot kajing shlur bat kajing ai amdon ka bakhang ya kajing jom
Sai sukyan yan siyang kung ipor ba medsuwa Nga sa banat shisha Kisem kirap ya ilad barang asay imlang Baru kiher kylleng Satan ki jengkin mang ya ki porba mensuwa Ada kane Mynta Abakan mang ki por mensuwa Jengin jangan Shisha kasuleng
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.